2 minus 4 which equals negative 2. Then here 5 times negative 2 which equals to negative 10. Okay. Then 10 divided by negative 10 which equals to negative 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay. In this expression there is one division here and one multiplication here. There is a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis there is one subtraction. Okay. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Okay, therefore first we have to do this parenthesis. 2 minus 4 which equals negative 2. Then here 10 divided by 5 times negative 2. In this expression there is one division and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Okay, therefore this division has higher priority because it is found at the left of this multiplication. 10 divided by 5 which equals 2. Then 2 times negative 2. 2 times negative 2 which equals negative 4. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay. Therefore the correct answer of this problem equals negative 4.